Hey everyone, high-speed rail people, dreamers, we gotta come up with a better name for us. How's it going? It's your rail champion who's here representing you, Demetrius Villa, with a special video for you all. On our Facebook group, a fellow member by the name of John Krasinski, yeah, I'm sorry John, I butchered your name. Please let me know how to pronounce it. Anyway, I guess we'll call you Uncle John for now. So, Uncle John found this video on the Central Japan Railway website called Bound for the Future, which showcases the current and future Japanese Shinkansen bullet train railway technology in place, including things like automatic train control, which we call positive train control here in the land without Gundam robots and Godzilla. I checked out to see if it was already on YouTube for your convenience to watch, and fortunately for us and you guys, it wasn't, because now we're going to show it to you as part of our HSRAC archive, under fair use of course, and it's not a monetized video, so it's legal. Trust me, I took law classes. Look, we're doing everyone a service here, including JR Sencho, whom pretty much has zero social media presence here in America. We're pretty much doing everything for them here for free. Well, without further ado, I'm gonna shut up and let you feast your eyes on this fine video, or as they say in Japanese, itadakimasu!
JR Central operates the Tokaido Shinkansen, which connects the Tokaido megalopolis between Tokyo and Osaka, and conventional lines operating as transport in primarily urban areas of the Tokai region. We strive to provide service chosen by the customer while ensuring safe and reliable transport. While the Tokaido megalopolis, JR Central's operating area covers just 23.7% of Japan's land area, it's home to 60% of the country's population, numbering approximately 126 million people, and accounting for 64.5% of its gross domestic product. In 1987, the Japanese government divided and privatized Japanese national railways into 6 passenger rail companies and 1 freight rail company. Central Japan Railway Company, known as JR Central, was formed to operate passenger trains of the Tokaido Shinkansen and conventional lines in the central region, as well as to maintain those infrastructures. JR Central was listed on Japan's major stock exchanges in October 1997. Then in April 2006, all shares held by the government were sold to achieve full privatization. With consolidated operating revenue totaling about $14 billion and net income approximately $2 billion, JR Central has not required any government subsidies since its privatization. In 1964, the world's first high-speed railway, the Tokaido Shinkansen, was opened to link Tokyo and Osaka at a maximum speed of 210 kilometers per hour. The Tokaido Shinkansen, the backbone of JR Central, links the 552.6-kilometer route from Tokyo to Nagoya to Shin Osaka. It runs at a maximum speed of 285 kilometers per hour, and it completes the route in as fast as 2 hours and 22 minutes. With high-speed, high-density operation at approximately 3-minute intervals, 350 trains run each day, with a seating capacity of 1,323 passengers per train. The Shinkansen offers mass transport that carries about 430,000 passengers a day. As such, it plays a vital role in Japan's social and economic development. The Tokaido Shinkansen share of the transportation market between Tokyo and Osaka is overwhelmingly superior to that of airlines at approximately 85%. The Tokaido Shinkansen is also world-renowned for its safety record and punctuality. It has not had a single passenger fatality or injury due to train accidents since its opening in 1964. The annual average delay per operational train is less than 1 minute, even including delays caused by natural disasters such as typhoons. The Shinkansen is a dedicated line on which only Shinkansen trains operate. The system is not shared by conventional lines or freight trains, and there are no level crossings, thereby eliminating collisions with other trains or road vehicles. The Tokaido Shinkansen employs a highly proven signal system called the ATC, the Automatic Train Control. The ATC displays speed limits in the driver's cabin in accordance with the distance between trains and automatically applies the brakes to slow down within speed limits if necessary, in order to eliminate train collisions. Since collisions between trains can be avoided through use of a dedicated line and the ATC, Shinkansen rolling stock is made lighter, offering improved energy efficiency, and frequent service is realized. The Shinkansen employs an electric multiple unit or EMU system. Compared with a locomotive halt system like that seen on the French TGV, the EMU has the advantages of reduced noise, energy efficiency, and good acceleration and deceleration performance. This makes it best suited for the terrain between Tokyo and Osaka, which has many stations. Furthermore, because of its light axle load, the EMU can reduce track maintenance costs. The Shinkansen General Control Center in Tokyo maintains precise control over Tokaido and Sanyo Shinkansen operations. In the case of a disaster, control can be switched to a backup system, the second General Control Center located in Osaka. In February 2013, JR Central commenced commercial operation of the N700A, which employs the fruit of JR Central's technological development since the series N700. The N700A has a bogie vibration detection system that enables early detection of malfunctions, central fastening brake discs that enable better braking force, and cruise control systems that utilize ATC data to control speed. Train sets starting with the series N700 have enabled an improvement in operation speed on curves through the employment of a body inclining system. They also offer comfortable cabins and realize great improvements in energy efficiency. Simulating operation at a maximum speed from Tokyo to Shin Osaka, the electric power consumption of the N700A is 23% less than that of the Series 300. Compared to other modes of transportation, railways are very efficient and environmentally friendly. For the Tokyo to Osaka route, the Shinkansen produces 1/12 of the CO2 emissions produced by airplanes. The Hamamatsu workshop plays an integral role in ensuring the safety of the trains, rigorously maintaining all Shinkansen rolling stock in tip-top condition. Every night, personnel carry out maintenance along the length of the line. An average of 3,000 workers engage in maintenance work every night to maintain safety. Safe and stable transport is based on careful maintenance work. Dr. Yellow is a multiple inspection train that efficiently inspects tracks and electrical facilities. Once every 10 days, Dr. Yellow makes careful inspections while traveling at speeds of 270 kilometers per hour. Furthermore, as an earthquake countermeasure, the Tokaido Shinkansen Earthquake Rapid Alert System, TERRAS, is being introduced in addition to the 50 seismometers alongside railway lines. TERRAS determines the impact on the Shinkansen by measuring the amplitude increase of the initial P waves produced by an earthquake and automatically cuts off power transmitted to the Shinkansen from substations if the result exceeds standard values. It then immediately reduces the speed of the train before the main S waves reach the line to minimize damage from a large earthquake. In order to prevent a derailment during a huge earthquake as much as possible, derailment prevention guards are installed parallel to and on the inside of Tokaido Shinkansen rails in sections that are expected to experience strong earthquake motion during a major earthquake. In preparation for the renewal of facilities due to aging engineering structures, JR Central has started a large-scale renovation project for all tunnels, steel bridges, and concrete viaducts. This preventative maintenance aims to prolong the life of engineering structures by implementing countermeasures before problems arise. This project will largely reduce interference with train operation and costs associated with prolonging the life of the structures. JR Central's operations comprise more than just the Shinkansen. We also operate a conventional network of intercity and regional commuter services. Moreover, JR Central's conventional lines also act as feeders to the Tokaido Shinkansen. Railway safety cannot be ensured through hardware measures alone. JR Central puts much effort into improving the technical skill of employees through training to cultivate professionals that will support safe and reliable transport. In 2011, the two training centers in Nagoya and Mishima were integrated to create the General Training Center. Here, train crews for both the Shinkansen and conventional lines utilize the General Training Simulator that enables multifaceted training. Employees engaging in facility maintenance utilize training tracks and other training equipment for realistic and effective training that focuses on safety and service. Our highly disciplined employees work in unity to continue guaranteeing railway safety by displaying their superior technical skills in every field from sales, operation, and rolling stock to facilities and electric equipment. In July 2002, JR Central opened its own research center with the aim of further improving technical capabilities. Here, we conduct research and development with a focus on securing safe and reliable operation and enhancing transportation services. This research center has various equipment, including the Vehicle Dynamic Simulator, the world's first full-scale device for the pursuit of riding comfort, the low-noise wind tunnel for researching aerodynamic phenomena to reduce noise, the railway structure loading test system that tests the effects of the fatigue generated in structures due to Shinkansen operation, and the catenary vibrator that verifies durability against the vibration of catenaries. In March 2011, the SC Maglev and Railway Park was opened. The museum will deepen the general public's understanding of railways, widely contribute to society, and ultimately lead to the promotion of industrial tourism. The number of visitors reached the 3 million mark in May 2015. Traveling by Shinkansen has become more convenient, thanks to the express reservation and EX-IC services. Express reservation enables passengers to make, change, or cancel reservations for the Tokaido and Sanyo Shinkansen via mobile phones or personal computers. With EX-IC, passengers simply touch an IC card to the ticket gate and receive a boarding slip. As of March 2015, there are 2.66 million express reservation members with an average daily usage of 140,000. JR Central is actively developing programs for foreign tourists. The Shinkansen tour is an affordable package that includes train tickets as well as hotel accommodation. We also have packages on conventional lines to Japan's popular tourist spots, such as Takayama, Shirakawa-go, Ise, and Kumano-kodo, that includes transportation on trains and buses. In addition to rail services, JR Central also actively runs other businesses through our group companies. The JR Central Towers complex rises 245 meters above Nagoya Station. With a total floor area of about 417,000 square meters, it is the center of our group company's business. It offers facilities such as a department store, a hotel with 774 rooms, leased offices, and restaurants. The development of a complex to be opened in 2017, named JR Gate Tower, next to JR Central Towers, is now underway. The complex is approximately 220 meters tall, with 46 floors above ground and 6 underground, and a total floor area of about 260,000 square meters. JR Central has 3 overseas offices in Washington, D.C., London, and Sydney. The offices exchange information with local railway operators and expand into new business fields. JR Central is leveraging its comprehensive technical skill to promote the development of high-speed railway systems overseas. The systems that we are offering to overseas markets consist of the N700i Bullet, a total high-speed railway system based on the series N700. And the SC Maglev, a high-speed railway that has been refined by JR Central to enable commercial operation at high speeds of 500 kilometers per hour. At the stage when the project becomes more defined, JR Central will coordinate with related corporations in Japan and also provide technical support and consulting services to safely and reliably operate high-speed railways. To continue operation of the high-speed railway that links Tokyo, Nagoya, and Osaka, which is our mission and the company's lifeline, JR Central began building the Chuo Shinkansen that employs superconducting maglev technology. The Tokaido Shinkansen has been operating for more than 50 years, and we feel it is necessary to make Japan's major transportation artery redundant to prepare for future structural aging and large-scale natural disasters. This is why JR Central plans to bear the complete cost of construction of the Chuo Shinkansen that utilizes superconducting maglev technology and operated along with the Tokaido Shinkansen. Furthermore, in order to complete this plan while strictly maintaining a sound management and stable dividends, we will first build the Chuo Shinkansen between Tokyo and Nagoya, and then quickly extend the line to Osaka. After the approval of the construction implementation plan between Shinagawa and Nagoya from the Minister of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism in October 2014, we have started with construction. The superconducting maglev technology employed for the Chuo Shinkansen will enable ultra-high commercial speeds of 500 kilometers per hour, allowing the train to levitate 10 centimeters off the ground. By utilizing the magnetic force produced between coils on the ground and superconducting magnets installed in rolling stock. Furthermore, it will have a high level of safety in regards to earthquakes when running at high speeds and also have superior acceleration performance. We are currently conducting running tests on the Yamanashi Maglev line to refine superconducting maglev technology for practical application and making efforts to reduce costs. In April 2015, we recorded the maximum daily running distance of 4,064 kilometers and highest speed of 603 kilometers per hour by a manned rail vehicle, breaking its own world record. Working to provide society with a transportation system that is even safer, faster, and more comfortable. JR Central is bound for the future.
Hey, hope everyone enjoyed the video and learned more about the Shinkansen. We'd love to actually go to Japan and tell you ourselves, but we're kind of stuck here in South Florida. Anyways, be sure to leave a like and comment below. What should our nickname be for everybody when we introduce you in the videos? You know, something like Nimble Navigators, Centipedes, Bros, Brofist. I think that's kind of taken. And subscribe to receive more high-speed rail related news and information. See you all next time.